All right, YouTube land, I am going to do a puzzle. This is kind of an homage to one of my favorite YouTubers, Chris Ramsey. He's Canadian. I think he was born in Germany, but he's got that little cool maple leaf beside his name on Twitter and whatnot. He's a magician. I would like to be a magician, but I'm terrible at it. I'm having a hard time just learning how to do one pass. But I'll keep working on it. I suck at puzzles, absolutely suck at puzzles, and I've come across one in my house that is a doozy. It is the highest level puzzle you can get. I say highest level because that's the puzzle right there. That stupid ceiling light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a timer. I'm going to try to see if I can get this stupid light undone. It gets too hot. I have to change the bulbs. So when I'm here in my office, it gets really warm when the door is closed because I think there's like old incandescent bulbs in there, and also there are like little bugs that have gone in and died and fallen to the glass. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the light, and I'm gonna see if I can get this stupid thing off my ceiling so I can change the bulbs and clean up the bugs. So this is going to be a challenge. Like I said, I'm not good at puzzles. I love watching Chris solve them. It's fascinating to me. But what I can't do is solve them myself. And this stupid thing, there is no obvious way to get the shade off so that I can get at the bulbs to change them. So here we go. There is the light. All right, so you can see in the bottom there's a couple flies or other little things that have got themselves in. Other than that, it is not quite a solid piece of round. You can see it's like got a split there, but it doesn't come apart, right? Like there's no movement there, it's stuck. There's this little doodad up here, looks like a button. Looks like a button, but I'm not sure. You can see a little ring of light coming out through the other side. The top of it, which I'll get a shot of in a minute, is actually flat. So this whole unit is solid, and I have no idea how to undo it, short of maybe that little pin doing something, which you think it would, or else why would it be there? Because it's a light and not a puzzle. But you never really know. It kind of looks like one of those upside down, like an inverted springform cake pan. But it's missing the little doodad here that you would unhook so it can just come off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get up on a step stool, and I'm gonna get my daughter to help me out with filming, and we're gonna see if we can get this stupid thing off. All right, we're gonna start the timer and see how we do. All right, I'll make this way. All right, see this little doodad here? I can't pull it. I can't push it. It doesn't move, but it does unscrew. And it doesn't fall. Is it spring loaded, maybe? No. This part? No. Now, Chris likes to spin it. I don't know if that's wise, but it does spin. So what's the rule? Righty tighty, lefty loosey? I don't know. What's that mean? Left? It just spins. You can't see at the top. Here, let me see this. Oh. There's like an edge there that spins, but it doesn't come off of anything. And you can't see that there's like a little groove here where my finger is. Nope. Maybe there's another, oh, there's another groove there. Oh, nope. And there's a groove just to the right of the thing, but nothing. There's like a lid on it. It doesn't appear to move independently. Where'd you go? Here. There's this piece here. It's got like tape on it, which I don't think is critical. I can't seem to do that. Oh. There's a movement happening, but I can't figure out, is it just a pull? No. There's definitely like, hear that, right? But over here, it's like it's flexible. You can't see, but it pushes down. Just here it doesn't. It's like something holding it. Maybe if I hold the inner and try to spin it. Nope. Maybe if I try to get one of those gaps. Nope. It would be easier if I could get in to see, but it's such a flush mount thing. So I don't know. I'm gonna get a ladder and see if I can get some insight, because I can't see very well with my hands. Okay. Okay. I'm afraid I'm messing up the wiring on the inside by spinning it so much. Oh, what's that? Oh! Success!
Woohoo!
Well, there we have it. Look, on the inside here, there's those 3 little grooves.
Just go with the screws.
And there should be
There's 3 screws.
3 screws.
How did you
And
do
they
it?
just slide in and turn. But you have to give it like a little lift up
That's what I thought.
so that the screws aren't, so that it's not resting on top of the screw here. And as I predicted, there's incandescent bulbs in there churning out way too much heat, and a little spider. Oh, he's gone now. Roomba will get him. Well, 6 minutes. It was a little less because we didn't stop recording, but 6 minutes. So maybe it wasn't the highest level puzzle that there was. All right, here we go. So 6 minutes to get the stupid light off the stupid thing. Not at all intuitive. Not a very hard puzzle, as it turned out in the end. It was just a matter of finagling it, a little twist, push and twist. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how that worked out for my first puzzle solve for YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed or haven't seen any of Chris Ramsey's videos, check him out on YouTube, check him out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And take a look, because he's a super cool guy who's really sharp up here in terms of solving problems, and he's got some really cool puzzles, stuff that I would love to have sitting beside me, frustrating me for days on end, that he solves in under an hour. He's also a banging magician. Yeah, it's really cool. He's good at stuff. He loves magic. He loves supporting young magicians, up and coming magicians. And he's always out there looking for good tricks. So if you want, subscribe to me down there. Subscribe to Chris Ramsey, because you won't be disappointed. It's a lot of fun. So that's it for today. Peace. Rah!